And let me go with the second problem. Here, find the smallest number divided by 42, 98 and as well as 70. Right. So here we need to find out again the LCM. Right. Let us check out here. You know how to find the LCM. So 42, 98 and as well as 70. Let me start with this. Right. Go with, so 2, right. 2 21s are, right, 2 49s are, right, then 2 35s are. Right, now this is divisible by 7. Let me go with this. 7 3s are, 7s are and 5s are. Further division is not possible, so let me go with this. That is going to be 2 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 7. Now, so 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 into 7 7s are 49. Now multiply this, right, 49 into 3, that is 1470. So the LCM of our smallest number, which is divided by 42, 98 and 70 is 1470. Option A is the right one.